In today's video, we are going to show you how to watch Edpuzzle videos in web browser, which doesn't require for you to install any app. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open any web browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Brave, or in my case, I am using Firefox. Now, in the address bar, type in edpuzzle.com and press enter. Here, it's super simple. All I have to do is log in using your credentials or enter a code that was sent to you by your teacher. If you do, all I have to do is provide the class code, and then now, if your teacher provided a class code, click the join class, and what will happen is you will be forwarded to your account. It's super simple. Now, I want you to hover to the left side area of the dashboard where you can find your classes and click on the My Assignments. All right. Now here, all I have to do is click on it. There should be an option for you to play the video right here. Click on the play button, and basically that's how you watch Edpuzzle in a browser. No app required. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.